quick live unboxing. I've got the Juki 8700, the DDL 8700H. So this is Juki's heavyweight or medium to heavyweight, I believe. It's probably one of their inexpensive industrial machines, I guess you could say. So yeah, we're gonna do unboxing. Well, this one right here is going to be the head, the machine, sewing machine right here. Next box gonna be the servo motor, and then these two. This should be the tabletop. This should be the legs for it. But let's jump into it. Okay, so this is like I said, the Juki DDL 8700. I did get the H, the heavy version of it. So this kit ran about $900 after. I mean, it's on Amazon. They say free shipping, but we all know that the shipping, you're paying for shipping. Let's be honest. Because I looked at other companies, and it was cheaper. It was like $725, $750, but you had to pay for the shipping. So, and then Amazon offers, I mean, if you qualify for their financial, it was like $180 a month, something like that. If you go that route, or like I said, one payment for about $900 altogether with tax. So, like I said, this should be the head. And I did peek in here, so sorry. This part isn't like a true unboxing, but you guys get to see it for the first time. Okay, so the smaller box up top, you're gonna need a cover. Some machine oil. Get the oil pan. Now, one thing I did see in a lot of the reviews, comments, and stuff like that is that you pretty much don't get any instructions. Now, a lot of people were complaining about it. I'm not that concerned about it. A lot of stuff that I've purchased in the past, CNC machines, lasers, they never include a manual. A lot of the cheaper machines anyway. And I think that's just because it costs quite a bit for printing over long run, where you can just put a digital file on online and have them download it. So this is just some paperwork. It's not even the manual for it. There might be like one page in English, the rest in 15 other different languages. You get a small toolkit, and it looks like, again, I'm new to this, so forgive me, hey, Cub, what's up? Yeah, I figured I'd do a live unboxing. Why not? So one of the pulleys that actually goes to the machine, I'm sure there's someone on here that probably knows more about this than I do as far as what it's called. But the rest in the smaller box is just the stand for your thread in that one. Looks like it has the knee lift for raising the foot, and then I think this is to wind your bobbin. Take a look at that. Pretty sure that's what that is. That's pretty much all that's in that one. All right. I'm gonna try not to hurt myself. doing with this. Because if you get this, just know it's heavy. All right, this is the main, the head. It's just a single needle, nothing too fancy. Like I said, this is the 8700H. They do make, if you're looking at it, they make a 8700, just a regular 8700. What I'm told on that one is you can only do light to medium fabric. The heavy, you can do medium to heavy. And I think they make one other one, like an A or an L. But like I said, I went with this one. Okay, there we go. And the other thing, if you get one of these, just know the whole thing is covered in oil. And I get it. Machines are typically like that. So don't be alarmed when you take the clear plastic off. Now on this, you will have to assemble it. So make sure that you're somewhat mechanically inclined or know someone, because this is it for the $900. You're not going to get it assembled. Now there are companies out there where you can buy this assembled, the table and everything, but because of the size of it, you're going to have to pay freight. And not like UPS, I'm talking, on a freight truck. It's going to be quite a bit. Let me look at the comments here. Let's see. Got mine cheap through and a lot of other stuff from a poultry shop. Oh, nice. Man, I wish we had more stuff like that around here. Not as far as going out of business, but maybe like an upholstery business that maybe they're just trying to upgrade their equipment and they have some used stuff. But we don't, man. And then I was actually tempted to return this and drive about 5 hours to get a sewing machine, a walking foot that was a dang good price. And I almost went that route. So, but we're going to try this. At least with this, not only do I have the warranty, if anything happens, with the purchase through Amazon, I've got, I think almost a month, where I can return it. So, okay, so that's the main head. I'm going to try to move stuff around so you guys can at least see. See what I got going. Okay. Servo motor. So if you're looking at these for leather, I definitely suggest the servo motor over a clutch motor. I believe this one is a 1/2 horsepower. I really kind of wanted the 3/4 horsepower, but beggars can't be choosers, I guess. I don't know. And then the other, and down the road I might upgrade. I don't know. I kind of wanted the one with the digital readout, but this is what came with the kit. So this is the motor that you get with it. I haven't really looked at this much. I just kind of peeked in there. So looks like you got on-off switch there, linkage, your adjustment, and then your knob. So pretty straightforward there. All right. Let's see, let's open this one. Pretty sure this is just the tabletop. As soon as I find something to open it with. Drove 3 hours, but I got a walking foot with a table bottom. Shoot, yeah. Yeah, I mean, okay. Don't you love how people package stuff? I sure do. Okay. I mean, as you can tell, this is the tabletop for the sewing machine. Looks to be good condition. I read some comments where they had issues with the table getting damaged. So I'm glad it looks good. So the tabletop, yeah, that comes with it also, legs, and it's designed for the machine, the Juki 8700. So you don't have to do any work, you know, cutting out the holes or anything on that. So, all right, next up is going to be that box right there. That should be the stand, or the legs, and the pedal for the sewing machine. Okay. All right. I ain't gonna lie. I was kind of weirded out about that. That looked weird. So the only thing I see right off the bat, it's not the end of the world, is like this popped off. This cover. And I guess during shipping it kind of got warped and stuff. I ain't too worried about that. That's the foot pedal. I mean, pressing on that anyway. So I'm sure over time, maybe it'll flatten out. If not, some people might trip about that. I'm not. Got a bunch of hardware and stuff in there. Let's see. Not sure what that is yet, but we'll figure it out. Got your belt. A lamp. And tray. So that's pretty much it, guys. Just to kind of recap, if you're still watching or you didn't catch all of it, I bought the Juki 8700H off of Amazon. Cost about $900, and that includes shipping. Comes with the machine, your servo motor, the table, and sorry guys, there we go. All the legs and everything with it. So I don't think it's too bad of a price, but it's an entry-level machine. I think it's going to do exactly what I needed, and it's going to take some time to put it together, but I'm glad I got it. It's definitely going to make leather work a little bit easier, especially the ones that want something a little more, I don't want to say cheaper, that's not the right word, economical, something like that, because you know, if you're hand stitching stuff, you need to make sure that you're charging for it, and I'm perfectly fine doing everything hand stitched, but I also want to give the option to machine stitch, and that's why I bought this. So that's really about it, guys. I appreciate you watching, sticking around. If you have any comments, please let me know, message me, hit me up on one of my other videos. And as soon as I get this going, I'll do another video. I probably won't do a live on the build because I heard that it takes a while to get this whole mess put together, but maybe once I get the table put together and I actually start putting the machine itself on the table, I might do a live or something just so y'all can kind of see what's up with that. But I hope you guys have a good afternoon, evening, depending on where you're at, and we'll see y'all in the next one. Appreciate you guys. Peace.